I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the door swings freely and that hinges are tight. This prevents misleading alignment fixes. Once done, loosen the strike plate screws 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn so the plate can shift. You should test the latch by closing the door slowly to see where it contacts the strike. Make sure to keep the hardware visible and clear. This initial loosen and visual check saves time and prevents unnecessary drilling later. You now shift the strike plate while the door is closed to find the sweet spot. This is how you get the latch to enter smoothly. If the plate sits proud, use a chisel to deepen the mortise by 1/16 to 1/8 inch, then sand any rough edges so the latch slides cleanly. Once positioned, tighten screws incrementally and close the door every adjustment to verify fit. This step-by-step tightening prevents the plate from pulling out of alignment. You finish by securing the strike with longer 1 inch or 1/4 inch screws into the framing for durability. This prevents future shift. Once tightened, test the lock multiple times to ensure consistent engagement. If it still misaligns, mark the exact contact point on the strike, reopen and recut that area precisely, and consider adding hinge shims or tightening hinge screws to adjust the door plane. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, swapping in a new strike or latch often reveals whether the hardware itself is worn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.